All right, it's 8:19. We can't wait on Wednesday, September 27th, 2017. What a fantastic, exciting time this is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Uncle David is quite excited.
Oh,
Yeah, I always love watching paint dry.
this is more than person can handle.
Well, maybe a sensitive
So did you bring back, I heard, did you bring back some new music, right? Yes, you did? Yeah, I was listening. It was nice.
That's not a very good radio story, is it?
I think we'll pass on it.
So it's 8:20 now.
Woo!
So we're waiting for the EAS machine to vibrate.
Or our clock is wrong.
Oh, it's to get me to move around to fit fit.
Oh, yours is more expensive.
I inherited it from Jackie. I got her an Apple Watch, and so she gave me the, I always get the end of it.
I've been that person. I've been that person.
Okay, we got a little bit of trade. Nice.
Aren't they beautiful? Oh, so nice.
Well, this weekend people will get coffee again.
No way.
I will get Kona. So it's gonna get muggy and fog.
Well, it is now 8:21. That's not good.
You might want to check the other station. Well, they would have done that.
Yeah, that one might work. Did you look and see on the computer if it was strong? Like an ox? Oh, oh, oh!
Well, it's only a minute late, but we got it.
Of the emergency alert system.
And you can hear it.
Is when we broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the announcement. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Fire.
What he said.